Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I hope you can't hear my dishwasher running in the background. I'm so excited for this vlog today. First of all, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Vivi. I'm a crochet artist. I design patterns and sell things at markets and all of that fun stuff. But today, I have 1 week to crochet a lacy poncho for my little sister to wear to ACL Fest. For those of you who don't know, ACL Fest is a big music festival that takes place in Austin, Texas. Oh, my oven's done preheating. Yes, and I'm originally actually from Austin. Remarkably, I've actually never been to ACL Fest, but my little sister goes and she loves it. And so she asked me to crochet her a poncho, and it's based off of this white one that I made a few weeks ago that she really liked. But we're going to make it with sparkly green yarn for her. So she and I picked this out from Amazon. I've used this yarn in white before and I really loved working with it. So now we're doing a green version. And I have linked the yarn below with my Amazon affiliate link. So if you are interested, be sure to check it out. I really love this yarn. It's so fun to work with. It's very lightweight, and so it's going to be perfect for this flowy, lacy poncho. And yeah, we only have 1 week to make this poncho before I go visit her and bring it to her. And yeah, so let's get started on this lacy poncho, crocheting it as fast as I can, and then I'll bring you to Austin with me to give it to her. So I'm so excited to give it to her. But yeah, today I actually have a market, so I am going to work on it there. So I'll bring you to my market, which will also be so much fun to show you how I sell all my crochet goods. So yeah, let's get ready for this market and get started crocheting this lacy poncho. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Well, the crack in my windshield's growing. You said I should probably get that fixed. I said I don't have time, I'll add it to my growing list. I've got one more thing to discuss with my absent therapist. So tell me one more thing you think I need to be for you don't want me. And tell me one more lie if it means I won't cry if you don't want me. You said to self-reflect, but I can't see just what I missed. So many problems that I don't see a need to fix, 'cause my car runs fine with one more crack or dent in it. So tell me one more thing you think I need to.
So the market was so much fun, and I have worked on the poncho a little bit since. So I'm going to show you. I've made a lot of progress actually. Look at this. It's so fun and sparkly. I'm so excited. I think she's gonna love it. But I do have some bad news. The yarn that was supposed to come in this week, because I'm almost out, so I had ordered more, got lost or something, and now the order's been canceled. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've ordered more of the same yarn to my parents' house so that when I get there, hopefully it gets there the same day that I do. And then I'll have 2 days to real quick do the other side of this poncho. So I'm like almost halfway done. So I'm gonna have to do it in 2 days, which is gonna be crazy. My hands are gonna hurt, but this is assuming the yarn makes it this time. So I'm kind of nervous. It's like we were already on a time crunch, now we're like, what? But it's so cute. I think she's gonna love it, and I know she's gonna love it. So let's just fingers crossed that I get to finish it for her in time for her to wear it to ACL. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna keep going until I finish. I think this is just gonna cover the end of this row, and then I'll be exactly halfway done with the poncho. So let's finish this first half of the poncho, and then we'll go to Austin. Good news! The yarn that was running late that I thought was canceled came in the mail last night. So I'm going to get to finish the poncho before I go after all. So that's really exciting and such a relief for me and for my little sister. So yeah, today we get to keep working on it, and it's a lovely rainy day, so it's gonna be very cozy. And I'm about to make some hot chocolate. So let's have some hot chocolate and have a cozy indoor rainy day.
Sally called me on the phone. She said her boss just let her go. I'm sure she hated that old man, but really needed that health plan. Lately I can't catch a break. The bars up here don't pay to play. I think it's time for us both to get away. Let's sing our blues away on a beach right by the bay. It's way more fun to cry when there's an ocean right outside.
Okay, we're in Austin now. So I made a lot of progress on the plane because I found out, I was hoping she wanted to wear it Saturday. Today's Thursday. She wants to wear it tomorrow. So we have to finish this tonight. And I only have one more row left. But let me show you it right now. I'm so excited. But yeah, so that's going to be 80 squares total. It's kind of a lot, but look how cute it is. It's totally worth it. Oh my gosh, I think she's going to love it. So that's really exciting, but my hands are starting to hurt, but you know, I just have 10 more squares to go. I can do it. But Elizabeth, my little sister, is cheering at a high school football game tonight. So we're going to go and watch her cheer, and that's going to be so much fun. She's amazing. She can do all the tumbling and everything. Stuff I could never even dream of doing. She's amazing. So, yeah, we're going to go to the football game, and I'm going to bring this and hopefully finish it. If not, I'll finish it tonight when we get back. Fingers crossed. The thing I'm most worried about is then weaving in all the ends, because each square has 2. So that's 80 times 2. That's 160 ends to weave in. So that's the part I'm most worried about getting done, but I believe in myself and not sleeping. So that would make it possible. But yeah, let's go to the football game. I might not bring y'all just because there's going to be a lot of people there. It's going to be loud. So, but we're going to go. I'm going to update y'all and introduce you to my little sister when I give this to her. Yay! Welcome to Austin. Oh, it's videoing.
Oh,
Okay.
good morning, everybody.
Hello. This is Elizabeth,
Hi.
my little sister who I'm making the poncho for. And guess what? I finished all the squares.
I'm so excited.
Yep, 80 in total. And now I have to weave in 160 ends. So we're going to do that, but we're also going to go get coffee. So come get coffee with us and weave in 160 ends. Woo!
Let's go.
I'm a little nostalgic, what can I say? Wishing for simpler days. Summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek. My parents.
And
Hello.
here's the finished poncho.
Just look.
Literally just in time. for her
Just
to go
in
to
time. It's
ACL.
perfect. I love it so much.
Yay.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy you're happy. I did the math, and there's 80 squares on that. Each square takes about 30 minutes, so that's like you know, 40 hours of work that she's gonna wear to ACL.
Yay.
So that is why I won't be selling ponchos. So she's gonna take lots of pictures of ACL, and I will update y'all when I'm back in Nashville and show you all her content.
Yay.
Yay. Okay. Bye. Have fun.
Bye.
So Elizabeth ended up having so much fun at ACL. I'm sorry if you can hear the squeaky dryer in the background. It's kind of really loud right now. But it's actually Halloween now that I'm filming this, and I look like this because I still have to get ready and shower and stuff. So right now it's ignore that. But yeah, she had such a great time. Here's a little picture of her with all of her friends with her poncho on. I'm so glad that I got to make this for her. It's just really fun to make things for my family. I end up making so many gifts, and yeah, it's just really fun. It was right after her birthday, so it was kind of a little birthday ACL combo thing. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me as I attempted this kind of out there project for me, just with all the time it took and the time crunch that it was on. So it was very exciting. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, I have lots more on my channel where that came from for you to watch while you crochet or do whatever crafts you like to do. But yeah, I also have the link to the yarn in the description below, and also link to this lacy pattern. It's not the poncho exactly, but the poncho was just basically a giant rectangle with them not connected in the middle to make a hole for the head. So link for the lacy tutorial. You can make whatever you want out of those squares. I think they're so cute. But yeah, yarn is my Amazon affiliate link, so check out those links in the description below. And I hope I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.